right now, Pakistan's airstrikes and operations against these terrorist groups is the consequence of the Taliban's actions. Just how when the Taliban in 1996 invited Osama bin Laden and Al Qaeda back
Mm,
then, it invited American intervention in 2001. Back in the
mm,
1990s, their actions was open up Afghanistan to terrorism. They brought in terrorism, and then it brought an international intervention because of the Taliban's actions. And we see the same today, that the Taliban's actions against the interests of Afghanistan, against the interests of regional countries, is inviting another intervention. So this isn't a situation that is ideal to the people of Afghanistan. And for this reason, as you may see, the people aren't rallying around the Taliban. The
mm,
whole rally around the flag isn't happening
mm,
because that's one, Afghanistan lacks a legitimate government. They don't see the Taliban as their government.
mm,
Two is they do understand that what is going on in Afghanistan is
mm,
basically the fault of the Taliban. There is 21 terrorist groups, both regional and global networks, that have come into Afghanistan since August of 2021 and are receiving protection by the Taliban, are receiving equipment, receiving training, and basically have turned Afghanistan into a haven for terrorism once again. And so another dimension of our resistance is the continuation of the global war on terror.
mm,
Today, on the battlefield, it's not only the Taliban that we're facing, it's Al Qaeda, it's the TTP, it's Ansarullah, it's the IMU, the ETIM, and a plethora of other terrorist entities from regional countries and, of course, countries beyond our region.